I had to go to Walmart again and actually pick up this item. And I found some other items along the way. Self-care beauty haul. I need a shampoo and conditioner. So from Garnier, they have this 2-pack at Walmart. And they have like 3 of these to choose from. So this one, a purifier, and something else. Anyways, this one is the Sleek and Shine one. And I typically end up getting this one because it has a 72-hour frizz control. I have naturally curly hair, and it is frizzy girl. These are 12-ounce bottles. So you get a shampoo and a conditioner, and this was under $7. I want to say this was like $6.88, and I don't have my receipt, but yeah. And I love the Garnier products. If I buy any kind of product to go in my hair or anything like a leave-in conditioner or a detangler usually. Now I will pick them up at Dollar Tree, don't get me wrong. But I'm talking about like if I want something extra special, like that I'm not going to be disappointed in, that I know is going to be working or that's going to work and has worked in the past for my hair, it's always Garnier. It always is. So I picked that up. Then I was picking toothpaste out, which you'll see that in a different video. But they had a bunch of lotions and I could not help myself. So these are from Scent Theory. This was $5. And it's in a Boardwalk Spun Sugar. And it's a fragrance body cream with shea butter and coconut oil. And the scent notes on this are cotton candy and blue raspberries. Super cute packaging. I love that it's like metallic as well. You get 8 ounces for $5. And you could smell these in the store. And it smells amazing. If you like sweet scents, you're probably really going to love this. It has a lasting moisture, absorbs quickly, and for all skin types, a luscious, ultra hydrating blend of coconut oil, shea, and cocoa butters. Made in the USA. It says relive the magic and joy of Ferris wheel rides and the nostalgic scent of cotton candy, ripe summer berries, and creamy marshmallows. This is right up my alley. I love sweet scents as well as like the bakery kind of scents, like, so this is totally up my alley. Oh, fragrance notes: rainbow spun sugar, blue raspberries, and fluffy marshmallows. Okay. Anyways, random note too. I don't really have any nostalgic thoughts about no Ferris wheels either. I'm terrified of heights. I have rode Ferris wheels, yes, but absolutely terrified of heights. So you won't catch me back on a Ferris wheel. That was when I was super little. Yeah. I do love how the fair smells though. Yes. And we have the World Chicken Festival here. So it's kind of like a big celebration, a fair type deal thing. And that smells amazing as well. We have, yeah. Anyways, this smells amazing. And I did try a little on my hand yesterday and it just felt so nice. For $5, you can't beat it. And then I've been wanting a new brow product because the one that I love so much that matches my brows, I just kind of wanted to, it's the e.l.f. Pencil in Natural Brown, or it's in just natural. Either way, that one matches my brows perfectly. It is only $3. So is the product I'm getting ready to share with you, but I just wanted to try something new. So I think this one's going to work for my brow. This is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pomade. This is a 2-piece set, so you get the little applicator brush, an angle brush for your brows, and a spoolie. You get the pomade, of course, and this is in soft brown. I don't know if I said that, but this was $2.98. Did already open this yesterday. I could not help myself. I was really hoping it wouldn't be too warm, and definitely this one is definitely a cool toned brow product. It comes in this cute little jar. So that's what the shade looks like. So it does look warmer on top, but you can see I stuck my finger in there and it's actually cool toned. So I'm excited to try this out. I got my eyebrows taken care of, and then I really wanted to go old school. Started looking for some Maybelline little palettes that I owned in the past. The one that I actually wanted was busted, So I'll have to pick that one up at a different time. I saw that CoverGirl had some that was, I want to say kind of similar, not fully though. And this is their CoverGirl Eye Enhancer, and this is 280 Natural Nudes. I love the packaging. I believe this was $5 and like 48 cents or something. So, and I really wanted this light shade for highlighter. I'm looking for a shade that I can just like keep in my everyday drawer and just pull it every time I need a highlighting shade. Because the ones that I have in there now are too shimmery. So I wanted to try something else too. Not that I really needed any more eyeshadow. You just watched my eyeshadow video, but it comes with an applicator. I like this light pale, peachy looking palette. All these shades in this palette, except this one, actually are shimmery, but they're very light shimmers. And I love that it's cool toned. And I love taupey vibes. So I just love that. So I wanted to try this out. I am going to do a full video on this as well. And I just like the idea too of kind of going back to some of the Maybelline CoverGirl things, having some of them back in my everyday drawer. Because I used to use a lot of Maybelline products. I mean, that was like my go-to drugstore brand. Really happy to find that, and that's going to give me a really pretty everyday look, I'm sure of it. So we will try that soon. And then this item, this is actually why I was even in the makeup aisle. I wanted this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Blur Out Smoothing Primer. This is a blur out base. I saw some shorts on this product and I was blown away. I had to try it for myself. It does come with a little spoon, which is really convenient that it's stored away in the lid there. It twists off like most of these primers do. And I almost halfway expect this to smell like blueberries or something. Or just berries in general. But it doesn't. It doesn't have a scent at all. But it's a blurring primer. I love a good blurring primer. So I'm really excited to try this. This was $12.97, so $13. I hope it was worth every penny. And of course there was a lot of other things I saw there too. Like there was this really pretty NYX eyeshadow palette. I would have bought it yesterday. It had like 2 shades in it, busted. Bummer. I saw a Clueless collection from Makeup Revolution, which I love Clueless, but I didn't like what I saw, so I didn't pick any of that up. My store did not have the new Profusion little 5-pan palettes. I was really hoping to find those because we're going to pick one of those up. My Walmart didn't have the Wet n Wild SpongeBob collection, not even a piece of it, which I was bummed about that because I'd love to get my hands on that palette that's already sold out online. I'm going to get, I think I am slowly getting back into buying a lot of, or not a lot, but just the drugstore makeup in general, because I kind of took a back seat from it and started buying more stuff online. I feel that way anyways, especially with palettes and stuff. But that is everything. Finally everything. So I thank you guys so much for watching.